What are the property claims for married spouses in a separation or divorce in Ontario? Hi, my name is Thomas O'Malley, and I'm an experienced family lawyer in Durham Region and the GTA. You thought getting separated or divorced could be tough, and you were definitely right. In fact, one of the most difficult issues in a separation is the issue of property claims. When you get separated in Ontario and you're married, you're entitled to make a property claim called equalization of net family properties. That's certainly a mouthful. What exactly does that mean? It means that a married spouse is entitled to one-half the difference between their net worth and their spouse's net worth when this spouse has a lower net worth. The whole purpose of this calculation is to make sure that each spouse has the same net worth after their separation. An example will give you a better idea of what I'm talking about. Let's say your husband has a net worth of $600,000 and you have a net worth of $200,000. This is how you calculate or determine equalization of net family properties in this example. You subtract or deduct the wife's net worth of $200,000 from the husband's net worth of $600,000 so that the result is a figure of $400,000. Then you divide $400,000 by 2 for a final result of $200,000. In this example, the husband must pay $200,000 to the wife. When he pays this $200,000 to the wife, he will have a net worth of $400,000 and she will have a net worth of $400,000. This payment of $200,000 is called an equalization payment because it makes sure that each spouse has the same net worth after their separation. You can only make a claim for an equalization payment when you are married to your spouse. When you live in a common law relationship, you can make what is called a trust claim against property. However, that can be a difficult claim to prove. You also face an important limitation to making an equalization claim. You must bring your court application for an equalization payment within 2 years after your divorce or within 6 years after you and your spouse have separated, whichever comes first. How do you actually determine your net worth in the first place? You must determine the value of your assets and the amount of your debts as of the date of separation. The fancy legal word for the date of separation in Ontario family law is the valuation date. In summary, the calculation of a married spouse's net family property involves a multi-step formula. First, you must calculate the value of your property or assets on the date of separation. Then you must deduct the amount of your debts on the date of separation from the total value of your assets on the date of separation. You next deduct the value of your assets that you owned on your date of marriage, after you have first deducted the value of your debts on the date of marriage. Finally, you can exclude the value of certain property from this calculation, such as gifts and inheritances. You can quickly see how this whole issue of equalization of net family properties can overwhelm any married spouse. You can't afford to make any mistakes in this critical area of your separation or divorce. Make sure you spend some time with your family lawyer discussing this important issue in your separation or divorce. If you have any questions about your separation, divorce, or family law case, and you would like our help, there's a few ways to contact our office. You can leave a message on my Facebook Law Office page, visit my website at www.canadiandivorcelegaladvice.com, or call me directly at 905-434-8837. We would be happy to speak to you. Oh, by the way, did you know you can protect your family law rights and get essential information on settling your family law issues with your former spouse with the daily, indispensable family law advice and tips on my free Facebook group? go to Facebook and search Durham Region Separation and Divorce Legal Support Group in the top search bar. You'll find the group and join. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.